kat documentary rangba ka jila Assam bat ka jila Meghalaya u Himanta Biswa Sharma bat u Konrad K Sangma menta ka sngi arf kandai trik u leber aha ja arfuar kilali banya kendo ya u Union Home Minister u Amit Shah ban shimye karai bakhando bat penbe ya u pot usam hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ki arngut ki MLA ka TMC kila Hiar Shaki Shnong Khappud Ri Bhoi na ka benta banya kendo bat ban sngap ya ka sur ki paidbah ke belapan pau halo ke jingbom hun ya ke kampen bei put jong ke Assam ban Meghalaya ha ke kerdan jong ki menteri rangba u Zenit Sangma bat u Winson di Sangma ki MLA ke TMC ki lahir ban jurip hadu South League Shnong Khappud bakentup ya ke Shnong Mauyong Maikuli Yongkuli bat ke Shnong Barapathar ki badai ki Shnong Khappud ha Meghalaya bat ke badai hadin baki paidbah nong shong Shnong kim hun satia ya ke ni ke kampen bei put babun na ki jaka jong ke Meghalaya ki lalit no shaki jela Assam ha kate ke jurip jungki laidon lang bat la sakhiru nadu kinong elam Shnong ki paidbah nong shong Shnong bat ru ki khot nong elam Gagaru Students Unions na Ri Bhoi zone shwa ban penlong ya katei ka jingjurip kini ki MLA jong ka TMC kila penlong ya ke jingelang ha ka Shnong Maikuli banya kren bat banya phliu jungmut halo ki jingeh bagi paidbah ki syakta naka kampen bei put ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya haka kedan jong ki chief minister but menta ka sengiru kila le syaka nong ba Delhi banya kendo ya Union Home Minister na ka benta ban shimya karai ka bakhaddo halo ka baidei bat ka jingpen bei yaw ne upur usam haka ni gesngi la ya sakhilang ru nadu ki khasi mawet ki garo ki boro ki nepali ki naga bat ki wei ki judgment rio ki belapan pau bagi sngau shngan bandon hapo upur usam jong ke jela Meghalaya kumba ki julong baro shikata badai na kata kadau bagi seu persya jur bon penhap no ya ki Shnong jongki chapo ka jela Assam.
See, these people, they are saying they are from Barapathar, na? Barapathar. They are staying here for many years, 40-50 years, and nobody has come to consult with them or ask them whether they want to be part of Assam or stay with Meghalaya. Nobody has come. But again, it is contradicting the statement of the Chief Minister that people's will is taken into consideration and it is being respected. But see, people residing in these localities, few localities, this is my colleague, so they have been crying for help. And the people from Assam, they are time and again, they are trespassing, they are encroaching and trying to snatch away their land belonging to our indigenous people. So now we have come to see what is happening on the ground zero. And after coming here, we have given hearing to them. We have heard what is their grievances, what is their agonies and pain. And we have come to know that people residing in this area, they are not getting any protection. And with the decision of the government, which was mutually agreed by the Meghalaya government and the Assam government, without taking the people of these localities into confidence, they have signed the MOU, and both the chief ministers of both the states, they have sent the MOU to the government of India. And today probably the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya jointly meeting with the Union Home Minister, and they will get some settlement out there. Now their apprehension is that maybe in this ongoing parliamentary session they will enact this, and maybe they are going to lose their land. That is the thing. So now on the floor of the House in the just concluded budget session, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya assured that by hearing the will of the people, what is their desire, what they want, whether they want to be part of Meghalaya or part of Assam, by hearing their voice, then only we are deciding, and whatever the people have agreed, accordingly we are acting upon. But when we come to the ground zero, we could see that people residing in this locality, they are completely against the decision of parting this area the portion of this area with Assam. And no one so far from the government side, whether it is Chief Minister or any other ministers of the cabinet, have come to see what is happening in the ground zero. And without just looking at all this, they have just done the paperwork, sitting in the AC room. Probably they might have signed a MOU. And what we could see is one-sidedly the Assam counterpart, whatever decision they are taking, our Chief Minister might be endorsing what the decision is taken by the Assam counterpart. And this is schedule area. Before we got the statehood, it was under schedule area, even when it was under Assam government. So by having the farsightedness, by forcing, so that our downtrodden tribal people, hill tribes, will not be exploited by those civilized people residing in the plain area. Because of that reason only, our forefathers, under the provision of the Constitution of India, they have given the protection through Constitution that declaring these areas as scheduled area, where the ownership is with kingship and Nokma, wherever it is applicable.